I started this channel to encourage new hams in their operations. Now, personally, I'm a contester. I enjoy the challenges offered by contesting. This will become a weekly contest update and will be posted on Mondays. We're going to be focusing on contests that are coming up in the next 2 weeks that I think new hams would first be able to accomplish with minimal effort, and secondly, would probably enjoy. Now, all times and dates use the 24-hour clock and are in Coordinated Universal Time, which is also known as Greenwich Mean Time and Zulu Time. A link to help you determine the time offset for your location is in the description below. Now, you're going to want some contesting software. I use WriteLog, which you'll have to pay $30 a year for, or on the free side is N1MM. I've included links to both in the description below. N1MM users have multiple YouTube videos on how to set it up on different rigs and for different contests. WriteLog isn't quite as popular, but if you have a question on setting it up, they have a really good customer service that can answer most of your questions, or you can put your question in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Now, you can also go out, if you don't want to use one of those, you can go out and do a Google search for ham radio contest software and numerous results will come up. I haven't used any of them, so I can't comment positive or negative. I just don't know. But if you find another one that you like, please tell us about it in the comments. I might even go check it out, try it for a contest. Links for the rules for all of these contests are in the video descriptions, and as always, stay within the operating limits of your license, meaning frequency, power, and mode. We start off with the 1010 International Spring Contest, CW. It starts at 0001 Zulu on May 1st and goes to 2359 Zulu on May 2nd. Now, 1010 International was formed in 1962. Its purpose is to promote activity and good operating practices on the 10-meter amateur band. There have now been over 75,000 1010 numbers issued worldwide. Another, QSO parties are a great way to work those hard-to-get states and earn your Worked All States award, maybe even try to get into county hunting. Information for both the Worked All States and county hunters are in the video description. We'll start with the Florida QSO Party, which starts at 1600 on April 24th and goes to 0159 Zulu on April 25th, and 1200 to 2159 Zulu on April 25th as well. The Florida QSO Party is a CW and phone contest on the HF bands, but technicians need not worry. I checked the rules and there are suggested frequencies that include the 40, 15, and 10 meter bands that techs can work CW on. Also on 10 meter, you do have phone privileges that are in the suggested frequencies. The Indiana QSO Party starts at 1500 Zulu on May 1st and goes to 0300 Zulu on May 2nd. Now, it's also a CW and phone contest, also on the HF bands, but again, technicians will be able to work the 80, 40, 15, and 10 meter bands on CW and 10 meters on phone. The Delaware QSO Party starts at 1700 Zulu on May 1st and goes to 2359 Zulu on May 2nd. Now, the Delaware QSO Party is also tech friendly. Plus, they're allowing FT8 and FT4 modes for the first time. Be sure to read the rules on the exchanges for FT4 and FT8. They're very specific. The 7th call area QSO Party is a big one. 1300 Zulu May 1st to 0700 Zulu on May 2nd. This QSO Party includes the states of Arizona, Idaho, Montana, Nevada, Oregon, Utah, Washington, and Wyoming. Techs, you'll be able to work CW on 80, 40, 15, and 10, CW phone and digital modes on 10 meters. The New England QSO Party starts at 2000 Zulu on May 1st and goes to 0500 Zulu on May 2nd. Also, 1300 Zulu to 2400 Zulu on May 2nd. The New England QSO Party includes the states of Connecticut, Maine, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and Vermont. TEX will be able to work CW on 80, 40, 15, and 10 meters and 10 meter phone. The NRAU 10 meter activity contest. Now this has 4 mini contests, which is each one is an hour long. They're back to back. The purpose is to work as many Scandinavian countries as possible. Now the times and modes are all May 6th. From 1700 to 1800 is CW, 1800 to 1900 SSB phone, 1900 to 2000 FM, and 2000 to 2100 digital. Depending on solar conditions, this might be a fun one to try. Work them all or pick and choose between them. This contest is sponsored by the Norwegian Radio Relay League, and TEX will be able to work all of the modes except for FM. If you have questions about the rules, any of the rules, please post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer your question within 24 hours. If you do a contest, please post a comment letting us know how you did. Please give me a like and consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell so that you don't miss an update. 7-3 for now. Elmer Tom, ND3N, out.